Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Here, choose the two videos. One, the background you want, and the another is the main video. So I'll choose these two videos. Now as you can see, both of my videos are added in the timeline. Now, I'll make this video as an overlay. To make this video overlay, search for the overlay option by selecting the video and click on the overlay. Now my main video is changed as overlay. Now trim according to your need. Once you trim your video, now we'll head to the main part, that is changing the background. So to change the background, click on the overlay, swipe all the way to the right until you see remove background, and you can auto remove it. It's a pro feature. I'll show you a free method, that is custom removal. Click on it. Now click on brush and choose the area that you don't want to erase. That means I'll choose the subject with the brush. Now our subject has been selected and our background will be removed soon. Now as you can see, I've successfully changed the background, and that's how you can change background on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.